Guys, it is 35 out here today, and she's been sitting for 3 weeks, below 20s, single digits overnight, and I'm like, I need to get out for a ride. As you can see, there's still snow out here, but the streets are mostly clean, and hopefully there's no ice. It's funny, man, the motorcycle community is just something else. There was a dude out here in a Harley actually getting gas, and I had to go say what's up to him. I didn't record the conversation just because I don't know how some people feel. And yeah, he's like the same thing. Good weather out. So the bike's been in the shed for a month, and I had to get out for a ride, and she turned right over. This started the first time I was trying to start it. Second go around, no problem. I did have her plugged in to my trickle charger, and it's been all good. So let's go for a quick ride. Went up, said what's up to the dude. Man, if you're on a bike, you could go up to any other biker, doesn't matter what they're riding, and go start a conversation, and they're always going to be super cool. It's just super cool seeing all the snow around you and being on a bike, you know. Good weather. Not that cold, actually. Lonely road too, no one around. It's just you, the bike, the road, and the wind in your sails. I could go a lot faster, but you just gotta ride your own ride. And I mean, at the end of the day, it's all about the journey. Nice country song while riding out here in the winter. What a feeling. Like this, the whole world just melts away. Like I said, it's just you and the road and the machine. You're on a complete flow state. around these farms. Outside of Quantico, Virginia, going into Manassas. A lot of history out here in terms of the Civil War. Quite a bit of battlegrounds. Bull Run to be specific. Out here too, just a private, not for commercial planes. There's a helicopter school, flying school. I mean, look at this view. I wish I had that 360 just to capture it all. Got the sun shining down on you. That was a mistake looking at it though, because I was messing up my vision in front of me. You see the blinking. Let me not make that mistake again. Just trying to show you guys the sun. I need the 360 just to capture it. Hook it up to the bike. So yeah, bike's the 128 kit, 2019 Road Glide Special, 40 used, 18 grand, 9,500 miles. All of this was already done. I did minor light upgrades. It's got 150 pound-feet of torque and 142 horsepower. We got train tracks here. I'm gonna upgrade the suspension. Whoa! At some point, maybe Legends, where they give you that lifetime warranty. Suspension actually is considerably cheaper. Not a lot of guys run it, so there's not a lot of information. I'm gonna look into that too. The suspension's not bad. I mean, I got no issues with it. But from what I'm seeing, anybody that adds proper front and rear, front cartridges and rear suspension, they're like, dude, I wish I would have done this sooner. I might do the +2 cartridges in the front to lift out the bike a little bit. Beautiful ride though. There's a blind spot here, so you gotta watch out. Make some noise. Keep it in gear. There she is. I had it all detailed before I put that bike cover on in my garage. So she is shining. I mean, to me, like, it's nothing like a black bike, man. All the other colors are pretty cool too. I like the black and chrome, mostly black, of course. Once it's detailed, I mean, that black just looks exceptional. Again, 19 Road Glide. I did do the sissy bar, the custom dynamics, saddlebag lights on the side, just pegs and whatnot. But the performance kit, the big bore kit, and bars, I mean, it was all there. The seat was there, CC rider, and I bought this, the backrest, and it was a game changer. Just having it, it pushes you forward a little bit, like tiny bit, which I'm used to now, but I like to stretch out though as much as possible. But it's working well.